Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best compact cameras that deliver high-quality photos and videos in a portable design. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, vlogger, or just looking for a lightweight camera with powerful features, these models offer excellent image quality, zoom capabilities, and advanced shooting modes. We'll be showcasing top picks with 4K recording, fast autofocus, and user-friendly controls. Ready to find the perfect compact camera for your needs? Let's get started. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5. Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. The Sony ZV-1 digital camera is a game-changer for content creators, vloggers, and YouTubers who require a compact yet powerful camera that delivers professional results. Here's a comprehensive review of its features and performance. User-friendly design and versatility. One of the standout features of the ZV-1 is its side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen, which also tilts up and down. This design is particularly beneficial for vloggers and content creators who need to compose selfie shots or shoot from various angles with ease. Camera also offers a quick switch between two modes of defocused background bokeh, allowing users to achieve a professional look effortlessly. Additionally, the product showcase setting is ideal for product reviews, as it smoothly transitions focus from the face to the object being presented. Enhanced video capability. For video creators, the Sony ZV-1 supports 4K HDR video recording, delivering vibrant and detailed footage. The automatic exposure AE feature is particularly useful, as it tracks faces and ensures they are always well lit, even in changing lighting conditions. Superior audio quality. Sound quality is crucial for content creators, and the Sony ZV-1 does not disappoint. Forward directional onboard microphone captures clear audio, while the detachable windscreen reduces wind noise during outdoor shoots. For more advanced audio setups, the camera features a standard 3.5mm mic jack and a multi-interface MI shoe, allowing for additional audio possibility. Connectivity and live streaming. The ZV-1 is also equipped with Bluetooth, standard Ver 4.1, and Wi-Fi, enabling easy transfer of files and remote control from a smartphone. Number 4. Fujifilm X100 Zeiss Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X100 Zeiss digital camera is a sophisticated blend of retro design and cutting-edge technology, making it an excellent choice for photographers who value both style and performance. Here's an in-depth review of its features and capabilities. At the core of the Fujifilm X100 Zeiss is a 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, which offers stunning image resolution and color accuracy. This sensor is designed to minimize moire and false colors, delivering exceptional image quality without the need for an optical low-pass filter. The sensor's high resolution also makes the X100 VIs a powerful tool for professional photographers who need sharp and detailed images. Stabilization and versatile shooting modes. The camera is equipped with up to 6.0 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which ensures sharp images even in low-light conditions or when shooting handheld. Additionally, the 4-stop internal ND filter allows for greater control over exposure, particularly useful in bright lighting conditions or when creating motion blur effects. The X100 VX also features a 1.4x and 2x digital teleconverter, allowing photographers to extend their focal length digitally without the need for additional lenses. This feature is perfect for those who want to travel light without sacrificing versatility. Creative flexibility with film simulation. Fujifilm is renowned for its film simulation modes, and the X100 VX includes 20 different options, including the popular Realette Ace. Number 3. Leica Q3 Full-Frame Compact Digital Camera. The Leica Q3 Full-Frame Compact Digital Camera is a testament to Leica's commitment to combining superior design with cutting-edge technology. It's a camera designed for photographers who demand exceptional image quality and ease of use, all wrapped in a sleek, timeless packet. Here's an in-depth review of the Leica Q3, highlighting its features and what sets it apart in the world of compact digital cameras. At the heart of the Leica Q3 is a 60-megapixel back-illuminated BSI full-frame sensor, which delivers outstanding image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. Camera also offers flexibility, with its triple resolution technology, allowing users to choose between 60 megapixels, 36 megapixels, or 18 megapixel resolutions without compromising on the full-frame sensor's capabilities. This versatility is perfect for photographers who want to manage file sizes while still capturing stunning images. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix LX102 Compact Camera. The Panasonic Lumix LX102 is a compact yet feature-rich camera that appeals to photography enthusiasts seeking quality and versatility in a portable form. Equipped with a Leica lens and a large 4/3 sensor, this camera offers impressive performance across a variety of shooting scenarios. Here's a detailed review of the Panasonic Lumix LX102's features and capabilities. Advanced imaging with multi-aspect 4/3 sensor. The Lumix LX102 features a 17-megapixel high-sensitivity multi-aspect 4/3 MOS sensor, derived from a total pixel count of 21.77 megapixels. This sensor allows photographers to shoot in multiple aspect ratios, 4:3, 3:2, 16:9, and 1:1, without compromising resolution, making it ideal for various compositions and creative outputs. The large sensor size ensures excellent image quality with rich detail and vibrant color reproduction. High-performance Leica lens. The camera is equipped with a Leica DC Vario Lumix 24-75mm lens, with a fast aperture range of f1.7 to 2.8. This lens provides excellent versatility, from wide-angle shots to close-up portraits, and its optical image stabilization, OIS, helps reduce blur caused by camera shake, especially when shooting at slower shutter speeds or in low light. 4K video and photo capabilities. Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology enables users to capture 30 frames per second in high-resolution 4K Ultra HD video and then extract. Number 1. OM System TUF TG7 Underwater Camera. The OM System TUF TG7 is the ultimate companion for adventurers, photographers, and divers who need a camera that can withstand extreme conditions without compromising on performance. As the successor to the popular Olympus TG6, the TG7 brings improvements and maintains the durability and versatility the series is known for. Here's a comprehensive review of the OM System TUF TG7 Underwater Camera. The OM System TUF TG7 lives up to its name by offering exceptional ruggedness. It is waterproof up to depths of 15 meters, making it ideal for underwater photography and diving adventures. Camera is also freeze-proof down to -10°C, ensuring it performs reliably in icy conditions, and shock-proof, meaning it can survive drops and impacts in challenging environments. This durability makes the TG7 a go-to choice for those who require a camera that can keep up with their adventurous lifestyle. High-resolution imaging and fast lens. The TG7 is equipped with a high-resolution CMOS sensor that works alongside a bright, high-speed f2.0 zoom lens.